Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yapzor, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your mobile money name or change ownership. So if your mobile money was probably registered with someone's name and you want to change the ownership, you can do that. For instance, my account, when I registered it, I wasn't 18 yet, so my mom ID card was what was used. So at first, if you send me money, it's Salma Mary. And people were asking, who is Mary? But when I passed the age of 18, I had to now change it to my own name. And this, I went to the office and they did it for me. Yeah, I went through a lot of stress that day, queuing and a whole lot. But there is a way you can do it online. There's a way you can do it without walking to that place and queuing for hours. Probably you may need to even bring the person. If the person is not close by, the person is not close to you, that's all punishment and a whole lot of stress. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can really change ownership and change the name to your own name. So this website that's the MTN customer online request.mtn.com.gh, and when you go there, the first thing they'll require of you is to enter your mobile number or mobile money number. That should be obvious. And you click on proceed. They'll send you an OTP. I've done that already, so I'm not repeating it here. The OTP is just a text. They'll send to your phone and you enter the PIN. So when you come here, select products. So with select product, you come to transfer of Momo account ownership. Momo account ownership. So when you now come here, you fill this plenty form. Yes. So here the first one is customer name. So the name that was for my account, as I said, was Salma Mary, and that was how it was typed. So the number was date of birth. You enter your date of birth and whole lot. Reason for request. So mine was I was taking over the account from my mom. So you type it there. It's compulsory to do so. That's why there's right there. So you enter your email. And some people who don't have email, what are they going to enter? So it's a need to enter your email. So you just type in your email there. Residential landmark, that's where you are from, a place that is close by that can easily be identified. Country or city of birth, you enter. So I was born in Tongo. I was born in Namoalok, Ghana. Namoalok is the most beautiful place in Ghana can ever be. If you want directions, hit my DM and I'll take you to Namoalok to experience a real world. That was just by the way. So ID type, you pick the ID type that you used to register. So it was voters. That was health insurance. So you enter your ID number and all those details. And you now come here. The ID date of issue, expiry, you upload it, a picture of it. And here, I or we declare that the ownership of the above Momo account should be transferred to a new owner, and that one will now be what? In the part 2. So you have to type your name there. You have to type the name of the new owner there, and you now have transfer of request, the date. So that's, for instance, today's date. Yeah, today's date is 16th. And you come here to be completed by a new owner. So this place is to be completed by a new owner. So new owner's full name, digital address or description with landmark, town of residence, city of residence, gender. And note, this one should match with what was used to register the account at first. You should do that. Gender, nationality, that's the details needed to create a new mobile money account. So if you want to create a new mobile money account, I have a video on that. You can check it up on my channel. Just go to my channel, you'll find it there, and it's there. So upload new owner's ID card, expiry date, new owner's, source of fund. So all these things, when you pick the form to fill, the hard copy form, all those things are there. Next of kin's number, and next of kin is someone who is just close to you that that can easily be contacted in case you are not available to access the account and there's a need for it. Yeah, or if you decide to die. Sorry for that, but in case of anything, probably you are in an emergency, you cannot access the account yourself. Death is not what anyone prays for. You are in an emergency, you can't access the account. Your next of kin is the most relied, is the contact which will be relied on and be trusted to what? Do any transaction with. So you put someone who is reasonable there and someone who is close to you and one you trust. Yeah, so that's basically how you do it. And when you finish, you submit answers. They'll review and note they've reserved the right to process the transfer of ownership if they cannot validate the information or find that the information is false. So it's not compulsory on them to do it. It's for your own good. So you put the right information there and they'll do it for you. If you don't put the right information there, no one is going to do it for you. And as someone will say, Wuna Woble. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more other content, and till I see my other videos, I will say subscribe, comment below, like, share this video, and check out my other videos. Bye bye.